Hello everyone, my name is Moji. You're watching a Bitcoin Bubble News channel. Behind the scenes, big things are taking place. First, Fidelity just announced that they put almost $5 million into their Ethereum ETF as a starting investment. BlackRock keeps adding to its S1 in order to get ready for the start of the Ethereum ETF. John, I'm calling today because something new just came across my desk. I think it's the best thing I've seen in the past 6 months. I'd like to share the thought if you have 60 seconds. In fact, every entrant is rushing to make changes to their applications. There are now fee fights. You may remember when Bitcoin went through this. In this case, all spot ETH ETF S1 changes have been made. Bitwise, Fidelity, 21 Shares, Grayscale, Franklin, Vanik, eShares, and Vesco are some of the best mutual funds out there. Right now, all of these big companies are going to work hard to get you to buy Ethereum through them. Take, for example, this great Ethereum ad by Bitwise. Greetings, my name is Ethereum. Oh, and our big money? Are you okay? You look very worn out, putting it away for the day. But it's already 4 p.m. Yeah, and I haven't stopped working since 9:30 this morning, so 9:30, you don't say. Yes, if you've been moving billions of dollars around the world, you'd want some rest too. Truth be told, I do. Stable coins, NFTs, and loans, etc. People can reach me at any time. What? However, everyone is unique. Take a break. It's been a long day. Yes, I have, right? Of course. You'll do it tomorrow. It's Saturday tomorrow. Monday. You'll do it again on Monday. Monday. That's right, I remember when the big news outlets didn't like crypto. These bad price changes in crypto have made us think and made us ask a tough question. Should we keep writing about Bitcoin? The answer is a sad no. Bitcoin is being laid to rest today. It was fun for a while. A lot of memories and lots of friends. Tom Lee wanted 20,000 by the end of the year. November gross and his 40,000 calls were one thing. There was Ripple as well. Brad Garlinghouse, I think we'll miss you the most. Then there were the people. Bitcoin God, the Bitcoin Oracle, and all 500 co-founders of Ethereum. And who could forget the dumb Coinbase trolls on Twitter who would grab your screen? And of course the Bitcoin bug. Coin, we didn't know much about you. Coinbase is now putting out crypto ads every month. It's the same for me. Money is going to my grandma in Mexico. I feel like I'm sending it to the moon though. Allow me to explain. This is Yuya, my grandmother. LAUGs or UGs. Also, my mom would say, she has the skill of LAUG because of you. I don't deny it either. At LAUGs, they knit, paint, weave, cook delicious food, and run. Of course, there is a small problem. Yuya Lu is not close. 2,555 miles away, it is in Puebla, Mexico. 3 days on the bus, 255 hours on a bike, and 953 hours on foot. And if there was a straight flight from New York, it would take 6 hours. I don't get to see her as often as I'd like to because of this. And I have two main choices when I want to send money from the United States. The first way is to go to a bank. It may take up to 5 days and cost money to get there. He then goes to the bank and pays another fee. It's slow and expensive. No thanks, I get a flight for the second one. Go back, get up early and go to the airport. Go through security, watch a movie, go through some rough air, and land. After that, wait for the bags. Find a bus that goes from Mexico to Puebla, take it. Then one last cab ride to my grandmother's house. Finally, put off the money. It's true this is faster than a bank transfer, but it costs a lot more. I can do this every month in the end. There is a third way, which I didn't tell you, codes. You can send USDC as quickly as a text message with Coinbase Wallet, and it's free of charge. If only Yuji's cooking came with it. Now there are ads just for coins. And it's clear that Ethereum is only the beginning. After that, we'll see Solana. There will be a lot more cash. Look back a year from now, and I think we'll see that this changes into something like this in crypto. All of the dominoes are now in the right place. Like, the CC isn't going to sue over Ethereum because its investigation into Consensus is over. Pay attention to this. This is a representative from Consensus talks about the interest rate and how important it is. Does this week's event answer some of the other questions you raised in your case against the SEC? The lawsuit says the SEC has changed its mind about whether Ethereum is a security. Do you understand better now? The letter does give us some of what we were looking for. I think it's important to stress that. We asked the court to say that the investigation into Ethereum was illegal and could not go forward, and that the SEC shouldn't be able to take legal action against Consensus based on the Ethereum 2.0 probe either. Now, the letter does give us some of the things we were looking for in the case. It says that the SEC is ending the investigation without charging Consensus. But once more, we're still waiting for that statement that says MetaMask swaps and MetaMask staking don't break any securities rules. People running for president in the United States would be talking about Bitcoin if it was going to reach $120,000. We will make sure that crypto and Bitcoin are made in the United States in the future. It's going to stay here. BlackRock was going to take part. I think having an Ethereum ETF is a good idea. It would get a lot of coverage on mainstream finance platforms. Our bull case, and we think this SEC approval makes the price of the bull case more likely. It's a good light. We think it will be $1.5 million by 2030. I really think something like this will happen. People will say, I wish I bought Bitcoin at $64K in a year. I wish I had bought Ethereum for $3,500. I wish I had spent $130 on Solana. I wish I had paid $14 for Link. In a year, the prices we see now will seem like a great deal. Of course, anything can happen, but there's a reason why big banks like VanEck are making big bets on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and other cryptocurrencies. Pay attention. What do you think makes you think that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana will go up in value right now? From what I've learned, the official price goal for Bitcoin is $325,000, which is half of gold's market value. Soon, we will have new study that includes the Layer 2 opportunity. This should make the price target go up. The new news for ETH dropped $22,000 per coin today. We think that by 2030, the network will bring in $70 billion in free cash flow, which is 33 times that amount. Solana, our starting point was $300. We used a smaller market share number for Solana because of some technical debt, so that base case is no longer valid. They've come a long way. That $3,000 is a waste of money. $365,000 $22,000 $3,000. Yes. And yes, get ready for July 2nd, when the Ethereum ETF will start trading in the US. Get ready for either PC and tech company Dell to add Bitcoin to its books, or for Michael Dell, the wealthy CEO of Dell, to buy Bitcoin. We told you about this yesterday. I believe it will happen. Also, don't forget to buy your Bitcoin bubble tickets. We're going to talk there. I'd like to hang out with you. Friends, it's too bad that nobody down here is really into crypto. When Bitcoin goes over $80,000 or $100,000, a lot of people will rush to buy. We keep our heads down until then. We step it up. We step it up. We continue to study. At this point, you should be more interested in crypto than ever before. From what I know, now is the best time. Guys, 2024 is going to be a great year. It looks like 2025 will be a great year. Do not change your mind. Moji is my name. I'll see you tomorrow.